Okay.
How does the little toy work?
Huh?
How does the little toy work?
Well, it's supposed to float in the water, so let's go see. You gotta.
Is it gonna float?
Huh?
Is it gonna float?
It's supposed to. See, Benji? Okay, now go the other way. Let's go the other way. Yeah. Yeah.
Put it in half of the water, alright, Daddy?
We're gonna go see. Let's go. Come on, let's go, Benji. Let's go see if it works in the water. Okay. That's supposed to work in the water. It's supposed to float like a boat. Oh, keep going, keep going. Watch out for cars. Where's Oscar?
Oh, he's right there.
Okay. Come on, let's go. No, you gotta go that way, Benji.
He's there?
You gotta go over there.
Kick it. No. All the animals. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa. Look, those are catfish. No, I saw it flying. I saw it flying. Me too. It's gonna get far. Can I try, Ben? Back up, man.
You wanna give your friends a turn, Benji? You wanna let Brad try?
And me too.
Let Oscar try too?
What if we should go underwater?
Nah, it's a boat. It's more like a boat, not a submarine. It's kind of cool though. Look at that thing. Benji, you wanna give Brad a try and give Oscar a try?
It's gonna sink. I'm gonna shoot a hole in it. Oh, my card. Wait, I can't get out of the water. Let me try. Wait. I know how to get out of the water. Come on. I know how to I know how to get it. Stop. I know how to.
Okay, Benji, give Brad a try.
I have a try for you, Brad. No, don't get far in the water. Don't get far. No. What happened is Brad.
Okay. Yeah, Benji, you're too close.
No, wait.
You see that?
Hey, you're back here. Can I have it? This spit bubbles. Bubbles. Meow, no. Woo!